in a nutshell.
She was putting on pants, by the way.
I got my pants on.
Well,
We
thank
good? We
God.
good?
Thank God.
Morning, David.
That was a sight for sore eyes. Hallelujah. Heavens to Megatron. Minutes, guys. 1 minute
Minutes.
and 40 seconds.
Yeah, SPI's pushing him just a little bit here. Looks like 66.71. It's fine. Yeah, so again, calls above 66.70, maybe 66.85 calls. Again, if we sell off, if we can hold 66.60, 66.50, looking at calls again, and then below 66.50, targeting 66.25. The better setup on puts would be, in my opinion, if we break 66.40. But I think it's valid below 66.50. We did find support 66.45 area, so if you want to wait for a better setup on puts, 66.40 would be what I wait for. Are we bullish? I don't know yet, David.
We had a pretty bearish move yesterday.
That was only because of Powell's
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully,
like overall, I think above 6600, I think 6600 is the bull bear line, so I would still say we're in a bullish trend, but yeah, I mean pretty bearish move yesterday. And after big moves, we could see a tight day today, so we could just kind of see some sideways action. Alright guys, opened up right at 66.70.
I'm mostly going to be trading futures today. I just don't want to risk my own money.
Gotcha.
Especially since I've been getting my ass kicked.
I thought you've been doing alright.
I had 2 losses yesterday. I mean, I'm alright, but it's like price action hasn't been the best for options, at least in my opinion.
Yeah, I got you. Alright guys, so I am pulling up the 66.85 calls, just pulling them up.
Our open so weak right now. From a lower high here.
Came down below 66.70, so again, I expect us to test 66.60. And if we do come down to 66.60, I'll probably see the cons I'm looking at. And then puts below 66.50, so we'll see. Meantime, have you guys been doing? You guys alright? You know, but if we come down, we may switch to maybe the 80s.
I don't particularly have a bias today. Kind of just seeing where we hold above or hold below.
Yep.
Having a decent amount of volume here, though. Leaning more bearish for sure. Still early though. Don't want to rush anything.
I agree.
I took swing puts on open at the very top around $10. Only up like 40%. I was expecting these to be up like
at least
100.
Feels bad.
Feels bad.
All right, coming down here, guys. See if we test 66.60 and hold, and then maybe look at may switch to the 66.80 calls, or maybe even the 75s if they're cheap enough. Let's see.
Just straight weak here. Pretty weak close.
I
think I'm leaning more bearish at the moment. Probably head towards previous day low pretty soon, in my opinion.
Yeah, nothing yet, David. Like I mentioned, below 66.70. I think we come back and retest 66.60. Want to see what it does there, and then possibly enter calls. Like you mentioned, it looks kind of weak, so we'll see.
Form me like a head and shoulders or something here.
It's like, in my opinion, for SPX, it's back into 66.60. May possibly look at calls there, or we make a move up, recapture 66.70, and then we can enter probably the 66.85 calls that I have pulled up at the moment.
Any calls for Q? No, David, not yet. Thing is, that was a really big sell-off here, right? So if there's still seller momentum, I don't want to take part in calls. There are some buy orders coming up here on my book map, but I think they're kind of getting absorbed right now. So I think it's looking a little more bearish at the moment.
We'll see how
it holds though.
No
pressure to take a trade yet.
Yeah, exactly. As of now, SPX looks like it's just coming down. Looks like it may again come down to 66.60. So waiting for that, and we'll see. I mean, we saw yesterday below 66.70. It's a pretty clean move down to 66.45 almost, and then found support at 66.45. So just being cautious. You caught puts.
Call puts. Nice.
Got
About a minute and a half left on the pot.
And we'll see what he wants to do.
There's not that much volume down here. See ya.
3 seconds left on this 5 minute.
It's a pretty weak close.
Guys, I moved over to the 66.75 calls. I just had them pulled up, not entering yet.
Kind of watching shorts here. It shows enough weakness. Nah, I don't like that. Looking like we might actually bounce here. We're kind of holding under my level though, but no setup. If we invalidate that candle though, okay, there we go.
Alright guys,
Watching some shorts.
I am looking to enter here 66.75 calls. I got it at 490 small position.
I actually disagree. I'm gonna go and take some shorts here on the Qs. Stop loss above that high. Got filled. 44, 834, 50. I mean, I might get stopped out quick, but who knows? Stop loss is above this high, 56.75. Take profit, 780. that we might invalidate. Actually, we're probably going to invalidate.
Alright guys, up about 5%. Nothing big yet, 7%. Alright, up about 10.
Path to break even here for me. That was a big sell-off. If buyers start coming back in, then I might have to close out early though.
What was that candle? Alright guys, came right back down to 6660. Back to break even. Was up about 10.
Remove my stop loss above that selling candle. That was pretty strong. If buyers bring it back above there, then it's probably going to keep pushing. So.
On this play, guys, a break and hold below 6650 is where I'll stop these out. So far, doing well, holding 6660, so like it. Yeah, David, literally on the 1 minute, we're up 12% and back to break even instantly.
Getting a nice dump here for me since I'm in shorts. See if we can break this low. Okay.
I'm down about 15% here.
We got new home sales coming up around 10, so about 13 more minutes.
Alright, SPX back above 6660 here. Two minutes left on the 5-minute candle.
We should break low day here on the cues. There we go. Just broke it. We got a solid move down here. I'll move my stop loss break even.
I want to see a bounce soon. It's kind of moving flat here.
Nice hold there. We should get it down.
Down about 20%.
Trend line. I'll take some off at the trend line here. About 24,800. We're already up.
If you guys followed, stick to your trade plans. Like I said, for me, break and hold below 66.50. I'll stop these out. I'll probably be down 40-50% at that point, but we'll see.
My stop loss break even, guys. Alright, took some off there. We are close to my trend line, so that's why I took some off. See if we can break down below it. Next target is 780s. Moving my stops up of that breakout candle.
Just new home sales, David. Been too crazy. Yeah, these calls, for me, they're not validated yet, but they're not looking too good. So if you did follow, you could stop out of these, and maybe we'll look at these if we can recapture 6660. Below 6650 here, guys, I did mention, puts are in play. So if we break below, I may be taking the 6620 puts. We'll see.
See if we can hit my target here. Getting pretty close. Getting some buyers. I'm just going to close out here. Didn't want a chance of reversal there in that area. Especially since we just broke out of the trend line, it might come up and retest. So, I mean, totally okay with that. We're in that previous stay low area, so anywhere in this area it can bounce. And then ES is testing the trend line as well, so it might bounce there. We'll see what it wants to do. Might be my only trade today. We'll see.
What'd you catch on that, Joe?
About 300 bucks. nice solid 30 something points, about average 30 something points, almost 30 points. Yeah, that's why I closed, guys. Look at that bounce. There's a lot of volume here. The sellers are getting absorbed. But my bias is short until we can start breaking some levels to the upside. So even if I think it looks strong now.
Yeah, would like to see us come in 66.60 here, guys. Let's see.
I mean, there should be some buyers left in this area. So if I were to go long anywhere, it'd be around here. Or if you want to catch the trend, it'd be somewhere up here. But for a small, risky play, or a good R, probably be in this area. There's a lot of buyers in this area. I feel like low of day is really protected. There's a lot of buy orders. So we would have to come down and kind of bounce a few times before we even break that. So if you guys like longs, I think it actually looks good.
Chew the bull, chew the bull.
Chew the bull. Not enough confirmation for me personally for upside yet. Shit, I might even call it there. I mean, that was a pretty good move. I got it's almost 3R. Yes, 2.96R. Just about.
A couple minutes to use new home sales, so see if that does the thing.